Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my YouTube channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama. I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start an affiliate marketing website. Now, before I go into it though, this video is actually a part of a free video training series I put together to give away on my blog for all my blog visitors. So if you want to see the other videos in the series, go check it out at workanywherenow.com. Alright, so in my previous video, my intro video for this video training series, I had told you I'm going to show you the exact method that I go about building an affiliate marketing website that makes me thousands of dollars a month, and this is the way I've been using it. So this is how we get started. So this is my blog. This is pretty much a case study of the training here at Wealthy Affiliate. This is where I started from, and I'm going to show you how you're going to get started with it. I'm going to give you all the little tidbits, tips and tricks of my 2.5 years at Wealthy Affiliate, and I'm going to be guiding you through everything. So your journey, if you want to start at Wealthy Affiliate, you're not only getting the awesome training at Wealthy Affiliate, but you're also going to get me if you signed up with workanywherenow.com/sign up. You're going to get me as your coach. You're going to get me as somebody going to help you along your online journey. You're not going to be doing this alone. And why I recommend Wealthy Affiliate versus any other training platform, it is the community inside that will help you along with your entire journey. So you're not just getting help from me, but you're getting help from thousands of people who are like-minded, who are all doing the same thing, and it's an awesome way to get started with your online business. So what you want to do is go to workanywherenow.com/sign up. You'll get to this front page with my face on it. If you don't see my face, then you're not going to get me as your coach. So you want to sign up with me because I am one of the very few super affiliates at Wealthy Affiliate, and so I kind of know what I'm doing. So it would be a great idea for you to sign up with me so I can guide you on your journey and help you, as well as I have helped many others along the way. So all you got to do to get your free account, 100% free account, no credit card or anything, you just got to type in your email address, okay? So I'm going to start a new account here just to show you guys how this works. So don't email me there, please. I just created that email just for this demo. So all right, so this is what's going to happen when you first sign up, okay? I want to do this live with you guys so that you can see what's going to happen when you sign up here. So you're going to get a quick tour when you first come in. So just continue. There's going to be your profile up there, and that's where you're going to control. There's a menu as well when you go to your profile, and then you're going to be looking at a lot of the settings. There's a menu that pops out from your profile, and then I'll show you more when we get to that part. And then it's going to go through your menu here, which is your main navigation for the website. So that's your dashboard. And then your training, which is the second tab, which is very important. That's where you're going to find all the lessons. And then here is very important as well, because that's where you're going to build your websites. Now this search bar is very useful. So if you have any questions, it's great to just start typing what you want to ask, and you're going to see a lot of different either blog posts or tutorials or other training videos for that topic. All right, so once you go through that tour, this is where you'll be starting. It starts you off right here on the first lesson. Okay, it starts you on the training that you should be on. So I just want to reference where you could come to this. If you start clicking away, if you go to dashboard and you click away, you can always get back by going to training, online entrepreneur certification, and right here, continue here. Okay, so with your free account, you have the first level free, which includes 10 lessons. These 10 lessons are going to take you through building your first affiliate marketing website. After going through these 10 lessons, you're going to already have a live website on the internet, which is pretty exciting for a free account. So here we are on the first lesson, but before we get started on the first lesson, I'm going to go through what you will want to need to do so that you can get more help and get your questions answered faster if you set up your account. Okay, so how are you going to set up your account is first you're just going to basically go through all these things. Okay, this one, oh, you started training because you get landed on the training, the first page of the training, so that's great. So what you're going to do is set up your account, which you will need to put any type of picture. Now, you don't need to put your face if you don't want to. You can pick anything you want. You could just either upload something, or you could just use something from your Facebook account, or you could use one of these sample ones here. Okay, so I love dogs, so I'm just going to put this here and then put I'm all done. And then the next thing you want to do is just to add a brief profile description, and it could be just anything. It could be as long as you want or as short as you want. This just gives some people in the community to see what you're about. So I'm just going to say I'm getting started here, learning how to make money online. Okay, so anything like that is fine. Save your description, and that's it. So I'm going to X that out. And the last thing you want to do to complete, see, account setup is only 50% finished. So I still need to add my goals. So adding your goals is a good exercise for you to get started with this. And you just got to answer these questions. How much money would you be happy earning? $1,000 a month. And how much would you be ecstatic earning? Oh my God, I would be ecstatic if I earned $10,000 a month. And how much time are you willing to invest to achieve these goals? Well, this basically depends on how many hours that you have a week to put into this business. So I am a stay-at-home mom, so I have a lot of time. So I'm going to put at least 5 hours a day. Post your goals. And that's it. So once you have posted your goals, you can look at some other people's goals if you like. Oh, sorry. I got a badge. Okay. I was wondering when this is going to pop up. So account, if you see back here, account setup 100%. Now I have a new badge where it says that I have created my account setup is finished, and I could view my profile or share it with the community. I'm just going to view my profile. There it is. Grace 123456, and I joined here May 2019, and there's my description. And I could edit this anytime, so I could just come here and edit this and change it if I like. Okay, so that's it. Let's just go to the dashboard here and see. So if you click on dashboard, this is what you're going to see. You're going to have a live chat on the right, and this is 24/7. So with your free account, you're only going to get your first 7 days free with the live chat, and you have to upgrade to premium if you want unlimited chat. It is a great way for you to ask questions and get your questions answered faster for the live chat, but there are other ways to get help, and the greatest thing about this training platform is the ways that you can get help with. Here is your help center. Okay, this menu on your left is very important. Okay, so if you sign up with my link, you're going to see my face right here, Littlemama. So you could just go here and ask me any questions on my profile. You could also do the same with Carson and Kyle. These are the owners of Wealthy Affiliate, and you have access to them. Look at that. You have access to the owners of this platform and myself personally. And so you can ask us questions. But if you need even more help and you want to ask the community questions, so if you want to get help from other people, you can do that. So all you gotta do is like wondering how I can make money here. And then you do have to choose a classroom. So I'm just getting started. I just pick that and then I submit the questions. Okay. So you'll get notified by this little bell up here if anybody responds to your question. Okay. So let's go back to the training. You're going to go back here. Let's go to the training. I'm going to show you how the training works. The training is going to be awesome. So you're going to go through the first 10 lessons here, okay? And look on the right side here. You're going to be tracked. Done 0% because I haven't started. And so it's going to track. Here's lesson 1. We're going to do, there's 3 tasks to do on these. So there's tasks to, you can see here, there's tasks to do on every lesson that you go. You see the first 10 lessons. So what you're going to do is read this lesson, and then there's also going to be videos that you can learn from. And then you're going to do the tasks right here. See, there's 3 tasks here. So once you finish watching their videos, then you're going to check these off. Watch the account setup video, and then you're going to check that off. Then you're going to complete your account setup, and you're going to check that off. So that's what I did already. So then you can just go to the next lesson. And that's how you're going to learn. So you're going to do the same thing on lesson 2. You're going to read the lesson. You're going to watch the video. Then you're going to do tasks over here, which is going to show you more things, how to understand this process, how to set up this website. So again, then you're going to go through the tasks, and then you're going to check these off. And so by the time you finish, so on lesson 3, you're going to choose a niche. Lesson 4, you're going to build your own niche website already. And then you're going to set up the website. And then you're going to set up, you're going to do even more with the website. You're going to set up the first initial pages and the foundation for the website, okay? So going through that very first 10 lessons will give you an affiliate website live on the internet, just like that. But that's only the beginning. Then you're going to need to upgrade to premium if you want to follow how to build this website out with the level 2, level 3, level 4, and level 5. Now, if you are following my free video training series, once you go through my free training series, then when you go through these premium lessons in here, you may understand it more what you're trying to do, because the how-tos, the nitty-gritty detail of how to do the things that I explain in my free training series are in these lessons. And that's why I love Wealthy Affiliates training platform, because it already gives you a step-by-step path right here to teach you how to do it, the nitty-gritty details that teaches you how to actually do the necessary steps to make your website work, okay? Now, if you stay as a free member, that's okay. You can stay free actually as long as you want, but if you would like to take the premium option and get all, basically the premium will unlock everything. It'll unlock anything that you see a lock on, okay? So you see how it won't let you message these other people? See, it brings you to this upgrade page. There are 3 payment options for this website. The first one is a monthly option. So if you take the early discount by upgrading within your first 7 days, then you will get the $19 for the first month. After the $19, you're going to start paying $49 a month. Now, if you want to go to 6 months instead, you could save money by paying 6 months in advance. So you could pay $234, which works out to $39 a month. Or you can just go yearly, and which is the cheapest, $29.92 a month, but you gotta pay $359 at one time. And these will be recurring, okay? So after 6 months here, you're gonna be charged another $234, and every year you'll be charged $359, and every month here you get charged $49, okay? This is a subscription because you're gonna be here learning how to build your website, and there's a ton of resources on here, and they give you a lot of tools. So here you're going to have a lot of your website tools. So again, your free account will give you access to certain elements of this platform, and there's also live webinars that you can check out. You can watch some of these now, but I think after your first 7 days you may not have access to the live webinars anymore. You may need to upgrade to premium. And then you also get this nice tool, which is a keyword research tool. Is very important in your affiliate website. It is very important for you to use this tool because this is the tool that's going to help you build your website in a way that attracts its own visitors 24/7. Okay, very important. And then again, this live chat, you really want that because then you could just talk to anybody anytime, and then you get more support as well. You get private messaging. So you can't do private messaging with me unless you're a premium, and then you don't get site support, which you will need when you have website issues. If you have website issues, nobody can help you but site support, okay? This is how the Wealthy Affiliate platform works, and I just want to show you my profile. So if you want to look at my profile, you just go here, start typing in Littlemama. Here I am. I started here at September 2016. Last year in 2018, I became a super affiliate, and you can look at the posts here. Look at all so you can blog on your profile as well to document your journey here if you like. So when I became a super affiliate, I won a trip to Vegas because I promote Wealthy Affiliate, and when you become a super affiliate, you get to get invited to their private conference that happens every year in late January or early February. And so I went this year to it, and it was very awesome. I met the owners, and it was a very fun time. So last year they helped me earn 40K with my website. So it does work. The training is awesome. I am a success story there. And so if I can help you, I really hope I can help you with this. And so if you sign up with me, remember what you need to use. It is workanywherenow.com/sign up. So you have about 7 days to decide if you want to upgrade or not. That's up to you. You don't have to wait for the 7 days. Some people just upgrade right away once they check out the training and it's like, oh, totally legit. Then they just go ahead and sign up right away. This tracking also just tells you, it says continue here, because once you check off the lessons, it keeps that bookmarked for yourself, and it tells you where you left off. So it doesn't matter where you go. Let's say you start typing a question and you go to another page to look up whatever resource that the question you were asking, and you want to get back to it, the training, then you just go to training and then just click on whatever continue here button shows up, and that's how you will continue learning. All right, that's how you get started on building your first affiliate marketing website. And I hope you have find this video valuable. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes up. I'll see you on the next training video, and I hope, if you haven't signed up for the full training series, just go to workanywherenow.com and I will have that for you. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.